Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So here we are at the site of new Orlando Fire's Station 6. It's slated to be completed in the fall of 2025. They've got a pretty good start here. You know, it's pretty good progress going on. Building's up, it's enclosed. Got the bays painted. It's going to be a 4-bay station. It is right on the back side of the Orlando Executive Airport. This is not the main commercial airport you guys would fly into Orlando. This is the smaller executive airport. A lot of your private jets, the sheriff's office hangars here as well. This used to be the home of Orange County Fire Rescue's rescue helicopter that's been retired for quite a while now. But so it's just on the back side of that. This is replacing the other current Station 6. I don't know if they're keeping the building there. I'm not sure if the rescue truck is going to transfer over here. From my understanding, I heard that I believe this is also governed by GOAA, which is the Greater Orlando Aviation. They are going to, I believe, take over that rescue for the airport. So it will not be manned by Orlando firefighters. So I'm not sure if that station's staying, and it will just, the GOAA will take it over. So if you guys know that answer, go ahead and comment on that, because I do not know that officially. So here's a quick shot just showing you guys of the new station, the progress. I know people ask me quite a bit how it's going. So matter of fact, there's a Delta flight there going to the Orlando International. So like I said, this is not that airport. So hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna kind of get a little peek here. About to head into, looks like the actual airport here, so I am gonna have to turn around, but just want to give you guys a quick shot for progress. Hope you guys like, subscribe, we'll catch you in the next one.